these 4 things to start your day. You will be full of energy 24 hours. Everyone knows about the number 4, but only few people are taking action. How many do you have? If you can't remember all 4 at once, you can save this video and watch it later. Embrace these, and you unwrap a box filled with unlimited possibilities for productivity, growth, and unlimited 24-hour energy. 1. Start with meditation. Kickstart your day with meditation. It's a powerful tool that calms the mind, giving us the peace and clarity needed to tackle our daily tasks. In a world buzzing with distractions, meditation is our fortress of solitude, nurturing emotional stability and mental resilience. 2. Consistent exercise. Exercise primes your body for action. Use it not just to keep in shape, but to enhance cognitive function and energy levels. Just as a well-oiled machine operates smoothly, regular exercise ensures you remain sharp, focused, and ready for the day's challenges. 3. Nurture healthy eating habits. Your diet is your body's fuel. The right food improves your mood and powers your body to function effectively. Start with a balanced diet rich in complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. Eating right equates to high energy levels, mental sharpness, and positive physical health. 4. Setting clear goals and staying organized.